check it. That gold, that's all me. I know. Hey, look, I've been playing gold for years, man. Gold is another forex pair to me. It used to be in this forex pairs, but when I started teaching people, I had to put it in the indices or metals. You know what I'm saying? Most volatile areas because people was like loving it. They were making money. They were just out of control, man. But yeah, those alerts, yeah. Hey, I scripted them. Hey, they working. 430. Hey, look, y'all getting like at minimum like 1,000. You're getting 1,000 moves. You get 1,000 moves or more. There's no way you can't catch a move. I made sure of that. Trust me. I did that because, yeah, you can't. Now I've been playing 40 on my own. Not many people know about 40. I'll be playing on my own. I'll be smacking 40. I'm smacking it right now. I took it up. France 40 is the GOAT. Alright, let's see what we have. We gotta find some sauce. Yo, this market is so volatile, it's ridiculous. Oh yeah, there's more to come though. There's more to come. I'm excited to give y'all the HFX alerts. I'll be releasing those 24 hours before I teach the class. NZD, let's see, NZD. What NZD doing? It's gonna be dropping, right? So we got some sauce on NZD. Consolidation, a nice drop. Got a nice drop on NZD. Nice drop on NZD. What else we got? $50 bounce. Super 1, 2, 3. Consolidation. We don't want that, but it's coming. Yes, we don't want to trade this right here, guys. This is trash right here. This is horrible. Yeah, this is trash. Alright, you chef. Nice little takeoff. Let's see what we got. Bow. I like that. BTS higher tire frame. Let's see what we got. We might take this. Maybe. Higher tire frame BTS. Nah, it's gonna be too short. Let's take it off though. 1 second, guys. 1 second. There we go. My mouse is dying on me. I'm like, why my screen not moving? All right, I gotta get doing. I gotta do new battery. We back in business. I like this trade a lot. Let's see what it's gonna produce though. Rejection. Might hold on. This thing might just. It's a lot of ranging going on. A lot of ranging. A lot of ranging. Got G. Let's take GJ and Cat J. How long until it gets to us? Let's see. About 20 pips. It's not bad. Just trying to see how the market's moving before we get into these trades. Don't want to get caught in any pullbacks. Nothing crazy at least. Nothing crazy at least. Let's see. Cat J, GJ. This might be a nice one. GCAD. It's all looking alright. We got some 5-minute sauce? Nope, not yet. Gotta be careful with these pairs, guys. Be careful. AUD USD. Got the sauce on AU, but it's consolidating. Consolidation is rough right now. It's trash. Look at this nonsense. This fringe is rough. There's no way to say you're gonna have a breakout. This fringe is rough though. I'm gonna say it'll definitely over the break. Mark your charts after tomorrow, when the market's pretty much still after tomorrow, when it's like not even moving, can't even click the button because the MT4 won't allow you. Definitely mark these charts up. Let them just stay there. Just mark up all 28 of these pairs. See what they're doing. But if y'all thought this month was trash, congratulations to next month. When you graduate to next month, it's gonna be the same thing. It's gonna be the same deal. So trader's vacation right now. December to March. That's serious. Shoot. That's alright. Alright, so I'm looking at GCAD. We already got our limits set for some of these because they're pushing. We don't want to miss the move. So GCAD might hop in GCAD. Might have GCAD. Might get in GCAD, but I need this thing to pull back a little bit, just a little bit, because it is streaming with wicks, and these wicks are about 25 pips. But NZD USD looks really good, but I don't want this to double back on me. But we have an exit, right? We have exits, but I don't want this double back on me. But I like this move right here. I like this move out of consolidation. I really do. Because it has potential to go all the way down there at some point. Let's see. The question is it worth it, right? Is it worth it? Don't like this. This is what I don't like right here. I don't like all this right here. All this nonsense. I don't like that. I don't like what my TDI is telling me. Tell me don't get into that trade yet. Yeah, we'll hold off on the USD. A lot of consolidation. It's way too consolidated. We paid to wait though. Paid to wait. Just gotta wait a minute. Which do you recommend? 1 hour, 4 hour. I mean, you do both. 1 hour, 4 hour. I do everything. The way I trade, I mark every chart up, every time frame, because every time frame gives me my entry. I got 7 entries, 9 exits, so I can get on any time frame at any time. If I see it, I'm in the trade. If I don't see it, I'm not in the trade. Like I see something, but I don't like the lows. I don't like this, so I'm not gonna get in it. Now, some people might click the button, get in, get a little something, but I'm not looking for just 14 pips. All right, I want to get at least, I mean, right now, at least 25. Gotta make it worth it. Gotta make it worth it. Gotta make it worth it. This is a good move, yes, but I don't like this. It can crush this. It can pull down through this, but yeah, don't like all that. But we got rules to it. 1, 2, 3 gotta be in profit. But I'm gonna leave it there because I want to see how it plays out. It's a paper trade right now. It's a paper trade. Yeah, that's the beauty about the schedule. That's the about the strategy I teach or the strategy I use. I can get on any time frame, so I don't have to worry about like just one time frame. But we got paid to wait. We gotta wait a minute. We gotta move. It's only 10 minutes to 4 at my time. Other than that, how'd y'all week go? How'd y'all trading week go if y'all was trading? Crazy enough, this has been like a profitable month. It's been very, very profitable. It's been just as profitable as July, which is crazy. But I definitely expected it. I definitely expected this December to actually go well though. I've been prepping for it. I prepped from last year, I tell you that much. Because last year, man, we struggled. I ain't gonna lie, we struggled. We made a lot, we did a lot, but we struggled. There's a lot going on. Boom. Had to get on some of the higher time frames. These pairs are raining out. Let me take this TDI off. I'm gonna show y'all something. Show you what December looks like. Show you how much trash we were playing in. I'm not sure what's going on with my mouse. I'm not sure what's going on, but man, what is going on with this thing? All right, December. That's all of December right here. All that trash. That's all it did. One move. That's GA did one move. That's it. Give us one move. It looked consolidated. Let's see what GCAD did as I wait on these pairs. GCAD did one move. Downside, upside. Gave you 2 moves, 2 good moves. This is terrible. The whole month. G-Chef probably did the same thing. Yep. Consolidated, and gave you 1 move. That's December. We're just waiting, guys. We're just waiting. See if they move. They don't move anything, but until then, We'll definitely mark something up. Oops, my bad. We'll mark something up for the New York session. That's for sure. So we gotta be patient. Other than that, what y'all looking at? What trades y'all in? What trade? I know y'all in some trades. Y'all always in trades. Somebody always in a trade. I know a lot of people took off. SPX. Nice. It's a nice stretch right there. It's nice. I don't play SPX too much. ETH, nice. Y'all in the volatile pairs. Y'all in those high end. Y'all high end. Y'all bougie. Y'all bougie out there. Let's look at gold real fast. We see if we can get some gold while we waiting. Really not sure what's going on with my mouse though. Things are out of control today. Alright, I'm gonna take all this off because I've already put that out. And I already know what I'm looking for anyway, so we good. So gold, I think it's definitely gonna come back up here to 1808 before I think it drops. It could just drop down, but I think it's on 1808 before it comes up here, retest up here, and then probably pull down to that 1796 area. And when it pulls down there, I'm gonna be looking for buys up. I'm gonna actually be holding it to the new year. Because I did this last time, and they went to 1950. I just held it. That's just me. I'm still in from 1756. I'm holding this thing until I go to like back to the 1950s. That's what I'm trying to see. I'm trying to see it. Trying to see it soar. Now if it comes back down to 1756, I'm out. I'm gonna start pulling my money. Get up out of there. Nothing says get in this trade yet. You get into this trade now, the market maker's gonna eat you up. I said, oh, you got into this trade? Alright, let's pull back on you. Yeah, we got our sell limits. Gotta leave them there. We just gotta be patient. I guess everybody took a break off this month. I don't blame them. I was chilling. Until I got an email that said you need to trade your account. I said, all right. I really was hanging out though. But it's all good though. Say CAD JPY. CAD JPY is busting. Let's see what CAD JPY is doing. Mouse is bugging out today. Missed a good entry. Need to be right there. Let's take it up for at least another 20 pips. As we wait for it to come to us though. It's a good rejection area right here. We'll wait for this to come to us. Let this surpass this area. We'll get in after they crush this. After they crush these stop losses, we'll get in. We should be in. So when they hit these stop losses up here, their stop loss is our entry. We should be good to go. Alright, throwing us. Nope, we can't have that. None of that right there. Let's see GN. Nope, nothing on GN. Man, this market really is slow today. They holding out. And some breakouts today, New York session. Who caught that AU yesterday though? Did a pretty good job of that. Alright, let's see. Nope, consolidation. This is killing me. Killing me with this consolidation right now. Maybe. Nope. Alright, let's look at AU. A to the U. Consolidation. 1 sec, I gotta change this mouse out. Listen, y'all was chilling, yeah. Y'all wasn't playing, man. Y'all definitely took a day. Y'all took a whole time off. That's what's up though. I mean, I ain't mad at you. For real, I expect y'all to just be chilling. Let's see this thing works, man. There we go. Let's see. Alright. Alright, now we're good, guys. My mouse was wigging out. I can't do this whole handheld mouse. You know, I gotta have the wireless thing. Alright, there we go. Cause I got backups. I got 2 backups. Alright, so let's check out. We got AUD USD. Alright, AUD USD. Looks pretty good. Now I'm feeling better. I can zoom in and out. Alright, AUD USD looks good. It's consolidation with the breakout out of consolidation. So we gotta wait for this thing. So right now what they're doing is they're forming vectors, which is called fake outs. And during these fake outs, they like to make the new highs, new lows of the day. Right now, this is the A range, so they're not making anything. They're just hanging out. You're just literally ranging. So when you see stuff like this, it's called a fringe. So when they hang out at the equilibrium, it's called a fringe. So you want them to really break this equilibrium before you can get into the trade. Kind of like a break and retest, but it's not really a break and retest. It's just break out of their fringe and give you some type of trend up or down. So a lot of these pairs right now have a lot of fringe, and the fringe starts on this time frame, 15 minute. So when you see that happening, you definitely just gotta be patient. You know, so you just gotta be patient on it. Like this trade we talked about, into the USD, was good. But I like these lows. You know, what's worth 10 pips where you can go, you know this pair can go, 50. You know it can go 50. So just gotta be patient, that's all. But this fringe here, same deal. If you go to a 15-minute time frame, and you see this fringe right here, it's just trash. We don't want that. So every time you see a fringe, mark it up and wait for it to break the fringe. When it breaks the fringe, then find you a better entry. But you trying to get into this right here, like this is rough. This is like rough. This is trading rough right here. Because you can find some good entries on the 15 to take you into the intraday time frame. So you gotta be patient. That's what we paid to wait. Definitely paid to wait. You got CAD-J breaking out. It's breaking, so it took off, so it's probably breaking out of that fringe. It did, it broke out of that fringe. So this was the fringe here on CAD-J. This is why it's taking off. This is your fringe up here. Got your fringe, alright, high and low of the fringes. Broke that high of the fringe, bow, took off. That's what you want. Now, when it does this, now you find you an entry when it tells you, when it pulls back and gives you an entry for a buy, because you know it's broke out, come back, give you something to get into. But right here, if you get into this trade now, you'll get into the middle of this 4-hour candle, and you will hate your account when you get in. You hate your account. You will hate your account. You get into the middle of this 4-hour candle right here, that thing pull back, you will hate your account. But this is a good trade though. Some sauce right here, but so far for a pullback. So that's why we're waiting for this sell limit to happen. We want them to break this, kill this, because everybody's stop loss is right here. Like, oh, my stop loss is right on the money. The institutional levels, all these institutional traders, they put them stop loss right here. That's okay. They'll break the stop loss, take off, and then they'll wick it, put us in the trade, and then go the way that they wanted to go. You know, you see it all the time. It happens to you all the time. You get into a trade, hit your stop loss, and it goes the exact way you wanted it to go. Well, everybody had the same idea you had. So our idea is not to be right here with everybody else. We want to get in after they get hit. When they get hit, we're going to pull back down. Telling you, read the market makers. It changed. It's the matrix. It's how you know. This whole thing is the matrix. This whole entire EMA is the matrix. It's crazy. Read that book. 60 pages. Change your trading. 60 pages of trade to trading. It makes you pay. It makes you patient. We got a vibe with throwing some good calls right now. There's nothing going on right now. It's just dead. It's just like not even moving. Like gold's not even moving. The market just stopped. market just stopped. We got some moves getting ready to happen, but man, they're just too much. They're too long of a move. Too long of a move. But we do got a little time frame BTS here. Hold on. So let's see if this thing forms. Let's see if this forms. Might have something. Might have something. Let's check it out. Let's see if the sauce thrown. Bow. Bow. All right. See what you do. Let's see what you do. Come down to the blue line. Oh yeah, you can come down there. You can come down there. All right, guys, we got 3 minutes on this. See what they do. They have to close over this line. They close over this line. We'll get into the trade. This is a higher time frame correction. Well, yeah, this is the correction now on the 30-minute. This is the 30-minute correction. 1 minute is, or sorry, 1 hour is getting ready to correct. Yep, they're all getting ready to correct. 4 hours should be clouding over to correct. Yep, it's getting ready to correct. All right, let's see what they do. Let's see what GU does. They might double back. We got rules to our trading, so we ain't even sweating it really. I'm not really sweating it, so we got exits. 15. Let them drip for a minute, and then they'll pull back. So hopefully they create. Yeah, they'll create what we want. Exactly what we want. All right, GU might be our first trade. 25 pips going for 50, or going for, yeah, but 50. Yep. So 50 pip move here, but we want them to form this. So we gotta wait a minute. We could put our stop loss there because our stop loss is definitely not gonna change. That's for sure. Oops. Yeah, don't get into this trade yet. So where we at? 2 minutes. I need this candle to close. But stop loss can be placed. That's not gonna move. Alright, get ready for it. We got about a minute and a half. See what they do. Say they do for us. So we want them to close, and they could possibly pull back. So what they'll probably do is they'll close, drop a little bit, pull back. But we're going to get in at the advanced entry as soon as they open. So as soon as they close it, and as soon as they open it, they might pull back. They pull back to the yellow line. That'd be amazing. So they pull back to the yellow line here. They pull back to this red line. This red line is the 5-minute aqua. So if they pull back, we want them to pull back. That's fine. They can pull back here. They can give us better entry. So they pull back, and then we get a better entry here or here. So we want the pullback to come here when they open up, and 50 seconds. If not, we get in right here. We still got rules no matter what. So 1 entry, 2 entry, 3rd entry. So patience, advance, aggressive. Doesn't matter which way you get in. They're all good entries. But we can get to this red line. That's the good push entry. So we're gonna wait 25 seconds on this, and we know we could drop. So let's see what we do. Let's do what it do. It's a nasty candle right here though. It's a nasty candle right here. This thing can open and just fall. All right, guys, 4 seconds. See what they do when they open up, whether they pull back or not. All right, I'm selling GU. All right, selling GU. All right, 1 second for parameters. 1 second. All right, we can put this in here. Yeah, I probably got better entry. It's okay though. Let me see if I got a better entry on my. I just put them on like 2 of my accounts. Let me see. Make sure I got a better entry on this thing. This is a trash entry. I must have did late. Spreads are rough. And those spreads are rough. Yeah, pull back. 1, 3, 4, 5. That's about right. Yep. Here goes that pullback we're talking about. All right, guys, we gotta be in profit in 3 candles or less. All right, 3 candles or less. All right. So let's see. We have 45 minutes on this trade. Spread times 2. Keep our stop loss there. Come a little further down. Looks about right. All right, guys, it's GU. 3 candle roll in this, all right? We got 3 candles being profit. 1, 2, 3. We got to be down here. If we're not down here in 45 minutes, we're out of the trade. We exit. If we are, we manage it to our exits. That's it. But if we are in profit, we are good to go. Let this thing ride on babysit it. Tell Siri to babysit it for you. Say, yo, Siri, set the timer to 45 minutes. Just like that. Let it be. Stop losses right here. Bow. Out of the reach of the dealer. If it takes off on us, guess what? It was meant to be. But you got a little drop coming. So let it be. See what the 30 minute giving us. Nothing yet. Yeah, it's getting ready to do something. Yeah, it's getting ready. It's getting ready. Yep. 4 hours setting up. Nice little correction. Yeah, let it be, guys. Let that one be. So we got GU. All right. If I see anything crazy, I'll tell you guys to get out. Trust me. If I see anything crazy, I'll say get out. But if you were patient, you got that advanced entry and you got the patient entry here. So either of those entries. Nothing else yet. Nothing I see else yet. Nothing else. Market is dumb slow today. Harvey just gotta chill on it for a minute. Gotta chill on it for a minute. Let them keep pushing down with this vector. Let them push down in that correction. Right out the correction. So if y'all was in my classes, like when I was in my classes over boot camp or in general, and I talked about them shifting out of the A range, well, this is them coming out of the A range and just boom, giving you that straight move without you even noticing. So if you wasn't up, no midnight, you wasn't catching this fresh out the A range. That's how they get you. They get you when nobody's in the market. That's the algorithm of it. When they come out of here, if you live in Cali, you catch these moves. Like Cali got the best moves. If you live in Cali, you catch the best moves. Honestly, out of the A range, it's a no trade zone. But when you trying to catch that reversal in the market, man, I'm telling you, I was training in Cali, and I was just, I'm gonna get up. I was just hanging out. It was like 1 o'clock in the morning, and I was just like, wow. That's how I started studying it. I was like, this is crazy. Reversals in the middle of the night for some folks. All right, we got GU. We got something else. Let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. Let's see, we got 5. Let's see if we got 5 minute sauce. Let's see if we got anything 5 minute. I hear that. I hear that. Even if we can catch one move, guys. One move. You know what I mean? It's all good. We'll catch one. Get some pips. It's all about catching a little bit of something. It's a rough season, man. Right now, this is where traders lose all their money. And they quit. People quit right now. Like, I got a lot of people that quit. And a lot of people hit me up. Hey, man, I'm trying to learn this skill. I'm like, yeah, you've been learning this skill for 5 years, homie. And you quit every December to March, and then you come back March. I'm like, I ain't got time for that. I ain't got time for that. You be quitting on me. It's patience. But NZD Cat, 5 minutes. Oh, man. That's what I'm talking about. That spread is lovely. The spread is out of control, though. Spread is rough. Spread is rough. Yeah, it's quitting season. It is. It really is. Happens every year. Nobody wants to invest. They're afraid of the new year. Let's see. I'm letting you play. I'm seeing if we got any fast sauce. See if we got some fast sauce coming. Nothing fast. I'm just growing down these pairs. The Dixie. Let's see what the Dixie doing. What's the Dixie doing? Rising. That's why GU and gold falling for now until the next 3 hours, and then all of a sudden you see gold at 1830, the blink of an eye. They dripping. They dripping. Your AUD was dripping. G Chef. It's probably one of my favorite time frames. Is the 5 minute when I'm playing some sauce and stuff like that. It's one of my favorite time frames. I could be in and out. If I really want to scout, I come to the 5 minute. I just kill it. NZD Cat. That spread is ugly. Look at that fringe. It's terrible. Fringe is rough. Alright, USD Cat. What you doing? This candle closed. We might have something on this one. You might have something on you, Cat. We might have something on you, Cat. Let's see if it's worth it. Got 2 minutes. See if this thing's worth it. That'll be our entry up there because that's our buying price. See how far this actual low is, though. It's gotta be worth it. So ×2. Spread ×2. It's not bad. It's not that bad.
Looks like you lost another one.
$22 pips, 44, same thing, not that bad. It'll probably go a little deeper. Alright guys, we got about 50 seconds on this. See what they do. They close really good. Maybe they'll pull back a little bit. Maybe they'll go ahead and give us the ADR candle, pull back. If they pull back right here, it's golden. It's a good risk to reward. I'll take this all day. They pull back right there. Just a little bit. I got 5 seconds on this. On USD Cat, let's see. What you gonna do, Cat? You gonna pull back or you gonna take off? Which one you gonna do? Let me look at my broker. Let me see. Let's see. All pull back. Works out for me. Go ahead and pull back. It's a lot of ranging though. It's the only thing I don't like. Is a lot of range right now. But it's trying to come up. It's trying. Absolutely trying. Alright guys. We're buying USD CAD. We're buying USD CAD. We have an exit. We don't have to worry about it. But I like this setup right here. I do like it. Our stop loss is right here. Bow. Right there. Last low. That's the last low they made. Out of reach of the dealer. So if you want to buy, go ahead and buy. I'll give you your rules of trading in a minute. Keep you safe. Keep you safe when you holding these trades. Let me find my USD CAD. Alright. Wow. Alright, that's USD CAD. Got a pretty good entry. Spread sucks, but we got a pretty good entry. That's what spread's gonna be like this all the time, so it's all good. Alright, out of the reach of the dealer. Let's see this. We'll just bring our TP in a little bit. That's all. Keep our stop loss where it's at. Alright. Alright, this is USD CAD. Keep your stop loss there, guys. Keep it all there. Don't move it. Don't move it. Now, risk-free area is going to be up here. Alright, so that's about 20-something pips up there. Only going for 40, but risk-free is about the halfway point. If you want to take that 15, go for it. But risk-free means put that stop loss in front of your entry, 3 to 5 pips, and let it ride. If it takes some money up here, and then let it ride. It's all about making it risk-free. Make it risk-free by securing your assets. That's all. And the reason you do it 3 to 5 pips is because when price comes back to you, these candles, when it comes back to you, you want it to knock you in profit, not out of profit. And usually the spreads are 3 to 5 pips on most pairs. So if it knocks you out, you at least gain like a pip at minimum. So you won't be like knocked out of profit because of spreads. So that's why I encourage 3 to 5 pips above your entry, depending on your broker. Mine is like 3 pips. So 3 pips, I know I'm safe. I'll be knocked out in profit. But other than that, we wait on this. We'll find one more and then we'll let them ride. Try to find one more, let them ride. Let these bad boys ride. GJ with the sauce. Ooh. GJ with the sauce. I don't like that. I don't like none of that. I don't like none of this. But it threw some sauce. It's all good. GN still being trash. It's horrible, man. Horrible. I'm gonna be glad for tomorrow. I can't wait for them. I'm like, you know what? I'm forced to not even be in the market after tomorrow. It's like, all right, you know what? I ain't gotta do nothing. Look at this. This is horrible. Look at this trash. Oh my gosh. Look at this. What is this? Who's trading? Who's trading AD Cat? Somebody AD Cat. Somebody. Yo, Cat's the devil. Cat is the devil, man. Cat is the devil. Look at this trash. This is horrible. Can't do nothing with that. I can't get jiggy with this. This is rough. Wow. This is days of consolidation. This is from Christmas. Man. This is more than Christmas. Somebody got hung. Somebody got hung up here. Oh man, that's rough. That's rough. That's terrible. Yo, this is why I laugh at the market like, man, somebody's trading this. Somebody's trying to get into a trade right now on this. It's rough. We got an MES. Uh-oh. Nothing but space. Nothing but space. Nothing but space. That's a nice one too. A little late, but it's nice. Actually not late. It's actually a pretty good entry. Actually a pretty good entry. But the spread is horrible. Spread is rough. It should be one, not two. Alright, let me look through something real fast. Nope. That ain't gonna work either. Guess it wasn't a bad time to play HFX this month, huh? I should have did it this month. I should have did it all this month. Well, I've been playing this month, but I should have showed y'all. We should have just hopped on and did it. Honestly.
Looks like you lost another one.
For real. It's crazy though. This is rough. Euro CHF. It's a nice move though. It's a beautiful move. Euro CHF and Euro NZD, Euro JPY. I don't mess with ECAT. I mess around EA sometimes, but Euro CHF, Euro NZD, Euro JPY. Those my Euro pairs right there. Them things when they drip, I'm in there. Only when they dripping. Only when they dripping. If they're not dripping, I'm not getting in. All right, look at some NAS 100 stuff. Let's see what they doing. They're not even moving. They're even moving trash. Look at this. They're even moving trash. That's even rough. Wow, look at this. Look at this. This is crazy. This is nothing. 30, same thing. Gotta be. Oh, 30 movement. All right, there you go, 30. There you moving. You moving somewhat, 30. That's coming to us right now? Yeah, that's coming to us. This is the one I marked, is it? 36. Yeah, it is. Wow, it's coming to us. I think move quick. No, I don't think that's right. That can't be right. That can't be right. Hold on. Oh yeah, that's the right one. That was yesterday's. Yeah, that was yesterday's, guys. Yeah, this one yesterday. Yep, this is yesterday's one. Who caught? Anybody catch this one yesterday? For that sell limit, y'all was on live. Some of y'all was on live. I know we marked this up yesterday for the sell limit. That was yesterday's trade. That thing went. I know I closed like halfway point. I closed like down here, but I didn't really follow the rest of it because I was like, man, it's going crazy. But dang, that thing went down there. That thing went all the way down there. Yeah, I closed like right here. I was closing there. I was good. I wasn't messing with dirty 30.
It looks like you lost another one.
It's doing its thing though. Let's look at France. Let's see what France doing. Maybe France will give us something. Nope. Doing dirty 30 things. It's all ranging. Everything's ranging, guys. Sorry about that. I can't help that. Market makers don't want us to be great today. Euro USD, I'm not even messing with it. I already know it's trash. I don't like Euro USD. I don't understand it. I got a lot of friends that play this pair though, and they are good at it. They're like, they can kill this pair, but me, I just cannot figure it out. Cannot figure this thing out. But we got USD CAD. Let's check out USD ZAR. See some exotics. Just trying to check, see what these pairs are doing. Oh, we got a super though. Hold on, we got a super on this. Oh, look. Oh, we got some potential up here. Oh, we got some potential. Hold up, hold up. Hold up, y'all. We might have something on USD ZAR. Something on USD ZAR. What's this? Oh, we got perfect time frame too. Oh yeah, we're good. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. All right, guys. I am buying USD ZAR. I'm buying USD ZAR. Dang, I wish I got him right there. Right there. Buying USD ZAR I am. You can buy it if you want to. It is a volatile pair. It's just as volatile as gold, so don't go crazy on it. It's actually more volatile than gold. I'll give you parameters in 1 second. All right, let's do it. I got a trash entry, but it's okay. It is okay. I'm gonna be all right. I'm gonna be all right. My entry was trash trying to enter this stuff in. It's all good. It'd be like that. I ain't sweating it. 15.81215. All right. Let's see where we at. We see my risk reward is at. All right, we got a 1 and 3. We need to bring that up just a little bit. 1 and 2. We do not sell ourselves short. We believe in our analysis. We don't look to have no drawdown like that. And if we do, we got exits. We don't worry about it. And we got a stop loss. We don't worry about all that nonsense. Spread times 2. We want to be a little below that low. So if it comes back to there, that thing drop into that 4 hour. Yeah, we should be good. We should be good. We should rise. We should rise for a little bit. Now this thing spits out like 2,000 points a pip, or 2,000 points, like easy on one candle. Okay, so this can take off very, very fast. This can take 2 candles to get towards TP. It can take 2 candles. It can just take off. But let's check it out and let's go for it. All right, so stop loss right out of the reach of the dealer. I'm keeping it right there. I don't mess around with ZAR, but it's one of my favorite exotics. Stop loss. All right, first TP. $1,000 points. Oh, we going for the 1,000. Yes, we are. 1,000 points. All right, 15.91069. 15.91069. All right, that is USD ZAR. That's the ZAR, buddy. I think we good on that. I think we good on these trades, y'all. I think we good on these. All right, so this the USD ZAR. All right, USD ZAR. This is a 30-minute time frame, so you have an hour and a half to be in profit on this. So we gotta be 1, 2, 3. We gotta be up here in 3 candles. We're not in profit in an hour and a half. We gotta exit the trade. If we are, we stay in the trade and manage it to your TP or exit. That first TP is your risk-free TP. Always first TP. That means you can take your money or take some partials and let it ride. But you must be in profit. So if you're in drawdown, all right, you know that by the 3rd candle, by an hour and a half, if you are not above your entry, you exit the trade. If you are above your entry, stay in the trade and take it to TP or to an exit. But we look pretty good on this. We look pretty good. It could shoot. Now, if it shoots towards TP1, like I said, like take what the market gives you. So if it shoots towards it, take it. Don't be scared to take your money. You only got 48 hours in this market, and you can't trade for the rest of the year. So enjoy the money while you can, and then go back and study ZAR if you like it. If you like, y'all like the way ZAR moves, go back and study it. Go see how it moves. Find you an exotic. You know what I'm saying? Something that's other than gold. But ZAR is like ZAR's gold big brother right there. This thing moves fast. It moves fast. When it stalls, it stalls. But when it takes off, oh, it don't give you no warning. Like you see this thing, it stalled, and then it don't give you no warning. You can't predict this. You can't predict that at all. You can't like, yeah, it's getting ready to go up. Nah, you don't know nothing about this. No one does. But this thing moves. Y'all see how this thing moves? This thing moves. This thing moves. But we look good on this. USD ZAR. Let's get it for the kill. So let's rerun these real fast before we hop off. Let's look at them. And I'm going to give you guys one more trade to leave with. You can take it or leave it on there. And then we should be good. Alright, so USD ZAR. Take it. 3 candle rule. Hour and a half. You got to be in profit. 1, 2, 3. We got to be up here. Not down there. Up here. Don't go against the 3 candle rule, guys. All right, because if we're not in profit in 3 candles, it's going to shift the opposite direction. So it's going to do this. It's going to either shift and come down, or it's going to range out at your entry. And it's going to hang you. And it could go in profit, yes. But you'll be upset because you'll be hanging out in the most volatile pair, just hanging under. All right, so Czar. We got GU. All right, GPUSD. We got how many candles we got so far? We got 2. All right, it's our third candle, guys. It's our third candle. So we got 7 minutes and 30 something seconds. So we gonna hang on here. So we got a little bit. We got 1, 2, 3. 3 candles. Yep. See that entry right there? That's a nice entry right there. That's the entry we really want. That patience one, because then it pulls you in profit like 5 extra pips. Yeah, it's like 5. Man, look at that. That's 10 extra pips. Man, 10 extra pips just for being patient. Paid to wait. All right, USD CAD. Opening up their spreads right now. Opening up their spreads, but I think we're pretty good on this. USD CAD is pretty slow. I think once we break up here, we're good. Once we break up there, we're good. Yeah, we break up there, we're good. What's how many pips is that? We need to break above this. Yeah, 5 pips, so go 10. We can break above this, we're good. Yeah, you gotta break above that. That level's killing CAD. Alright, so we got all that. Let those ride. Don't babysit it. We're gonna be on here until at least GU close. So we're gonna check that out in a minute. We're gonna make sure we get on GU. We might find another time frame that says stay in trade. We might find one that says stay in trade. Let's see. Alright, let's hang out on GU for a minute. I'm gonna look at the other pairs. Make sure we don't lose. What we looking at? Spreads are killing us today, though. I tell you that much. These spreads ain't no joke. Spreads are pretty high. Yeah, those holiday spreads. I like this movement down. I like the movement. I like this movement down. See. Look at that. Win, loss, win, loss, win, loss. Dang. Wins. Let's see. All right, GU, what you gonna do, man? Plan out entries.
I have a question.
What's
So
going on?
like okay, because this confused me. So like with this GU move, right? You know how you got the A range and then vector. We not gonna be waiting for the shift back up.
Sorry, say it again.
Okay, so you see how like we got the A range and then we got the vector. Like we not how do you know we wasn't gonna be waiting for the shift back up?
Waiting for the shift back up.
Yeah, like you know like normally it's the vector and then the shift and then entry.
Yo, so the vector is just a fast magnitude push. It's also known as a fake out, but the vector is just a fast magnitude push and a direction. Now, the reason that we're taking this because we got sauce on this time frame. So sauce is directional play. Right now, what they're doing is they're correcting. So they're correcting to come back down. So their move was up. So you zoom out. They got the real move up here, and they pulled back with the fake move. They real moved, and they pulled back with the correction here, and they ranged out. So now they're in this correction. So all this right here, they consider a correction. This is a correction zone with EMAs. This is a correction. So now they corrected. Now they're trying to pull back down. So this correction, this whole correction is going to be an opposite trend. So now the new trend is going to be down. So the 15-minute time frame is going to be the first to see this. What they did was they consolidated coming back here. All right, coming back here in the A range, they did was they consolidated. So you can do it can go both ways. They can go up, they can go down. Now, when they consolidate, you want to see, this is what you want to see. You want to see this. You want to see a clear trend. You want to be like, all right, I know I'm not getting faked out because, like you said, with the shift, I know I'm not getting faked out because if they pull down this way right here, if they pull down, that's faking you. That's faking me out. I know they're not supposed to be pulling down because I have an uptrend. My EMA is on the bottom, so I'm looking for buy opportunities only. So nothing is telling me to sell. So when they reach here, when they reach right here in between these sheets, the aqua and the white, when they reach here, all right, and they stay in here, you can't play it because it's gonna be getting ready for the correction, and you don't want to play against the trend. You don't want to counter trend trade unless you know how to do it. So when they play it and they go back into this correction here, it comes down. Now they reach this correction right here, and now they're gonna range out on you. They're gonna hang out and range out. And then when they range out, they got to break that A range, and they have to go to they have to figure out a new high or new low. Well, today's a new low. They broke it down, new low, and that's what we're at. We're at the new low. So we're taking it from the new low and coming down. So how do we know we're going to shift up? We don't know they're going to shift up. We don't know any of that. We don't know that we don't even know if they're going to drop. Just based off your strategy, you know that this is a directional trade. So I know that sauce is directional. So shifts and sauce are directional trades. But it's playing towards this EMA at the bottom of the blue right here because on a higher time frame it's correcting. So 30-minute is correcting, all right, which is now is correcting. The 1 hour is trying to correct, all right, as you see it's already shifting that direction, trying to correct. And the 4 hour is going to be contacted by the 1 hour, or by the 3 hours to say, and start trying to correct. So everybody's trying to contact each other to push on down. But the 15 minutes is going to be the first time frame to actually experience that. So if that helps, but that's why we're taking that vector. Well, the vector's almost over, so it's 5 o'clock. But the vector is a fast magnitude push. Usually they push really hard, and then they'll make some M's and W's, but right now they're just correcting. So when they correct, they just immediately go in that direction to go for uptrend or downtrend. That's all. But can they shift up? Yeah, they can shift up. It's a volatile right now. It's volatile as heck right now. They can come on up on us. That's why our stop loss is out of the reach of the dealer, above this A range high. So we're good to go. Yeah, let it be. But one of my brokers say I'm in profit, guys. One says I'm not. What you guys saying? Because there is something that says that you can stay into this trade. So I know mine says I can stay in, and one says I can't. So I got contradicting, but this is what I'm gonna say for you guys. All right, I'm giving you guys an actual exit. All right, on this time frame, I'm gonna give you exit on this time frame on the 1 hour. That answer your question, Ebony?
Yeah, it did. It make more sense now. I wasn't paying attention to the 250. So like when it's kind of like between the 250 in the middle, that's when I really like got to start paying attention because I see now that on that time frame when the sauce happened, but also it looked like the 50 and the 200 went across too eventually.
Correct. So you'll learn this when you go to boot camp too. You're gonna see the correction. You're gonna know when the correction coming. The reason I know this correction's coming because this is what it did. Let me see something. Nope, not that. Let me see. Boom. Trying to find you a correction. We got time on this. I'm about to give y'all an exit on a higher time frame, so we got time on this. They only had our entry, so it's not. It's actually pretty good trade, guys. I'm gonna show you a correction. Show you a really good correction. Let me see if I can find one. Why when they correct? Oh, we might have one. All right. Give you a little sneak peek. That's about right. We can live with that. We can live with that one. All right. So this is what they do. This is what they'll do right here. All right. So this is how I know they're correcting. This is how I know, like, oh, it's reversing. Like, no, they're just correcting. But we can play corrections. So based on what we have, we can play the correction. All right. So this is what they do. They will break the water, which is the aqua. All right. It's called between the sheets. This is the aqua right here. So what they'll do, they'll break the water, and they have the white right here. This is the white. So 15 and 200. So they got to break the water for an hour and a half. So when they come down here, you see the trend is completely up, and then they'll just range out on this. Now when they break this water, when they close, meaning the bodies of the candles close, when they close inside the water, we have to be careful. So we want to see either shift off the aqua to give us our entry, or we want to see them give us sauce in between these sheets. So the only time we taking a trade for a counter trend trade is if we see sauce. That's the only time. So they got to break the water, pull back, and give us sauce. So they got to break the water for an hour and a half. That's about 6 candles, 6 candle bodies. So they got 1, 2. You got all these candles, more than 6, right? Now they give us sauce pointing down, not up, pointing down. So they broke for an hour and a half. Everything says go up. That's correct. Then just play with the trend. All right. But when you see them give you directional sauce to the downside, this is where you get in. This is where you can play your counter trend. But you got rules to it. You can play your counter trend here. So you got your counter trend here. Spread times 2. Your TP is not 1 to 2 ratio. It's literally to the white line. All right, now between the sheets, the aqua and the white has to be at least 30 pips because we don't want them to just, drop and then come back up. We want to get 30 pips to the white line. So you're automatically, no matter what your risk reward is, you're to the white line. First of all, you're not supposed to be going counter trend, so you're not looking for hundreds of pips, and you know that they can come back up on us. We know that. We know they can come back up on us at any time because they're supposed to, because everything says buy. You know what I'm saying? Everything says buy. All right, so when we see that, we gotta be at least 30 pips. So we might be there, might be close to it. All right, we're about right there. So we can take that. So now what they'll do is we gotta be in profit in 3 candles coming down. So if we're not in profit, we exit. If it comes up here, guess what? We exit regardless. All right. So we'll see if they come down here. We're in profit. 1, 2, 3. We're in profit. TP is to the white line. Automatically to our white line. That's our TP. When we see that, we're out. Boom. Just like that. See how fast that is with a counter trend trade? And then guess what they did? Boom. To the right direction. So a quick correction and then bow. Come back up. So that's why our TP is to the white line. But you'll learn that. You'll learn it. You'll 100% learn that. But that's why we know the correction. That's how I know the correction's coming. So if I see the correction coming, then I play it. I got people that play. I know, like Eric, he plays the correction all day. He plays the correction all day. That's all he plays is correction. But yeah, so hope that kind of like you see an eye for it. Right now they're in the correction, so they came in here. Look at that, they pulled back. This is a higher time frame BTS because every EMA is a 50 EMA or the 200 EMA another time frame. So this is 30 minute in between these sheets here. So they're trying to correct here, and then they're trying to correct down here. They're trying to correct here as well. So it all has the eye for it. It takes some practice, but once you see it, you understand it. It's like the Matrix. You can't unsee it. You know when they're pulling back. You know when they're correcting. You don't gotta guess. You don't gotta get stuck. You don't have to get stuck. But on this trade, one of the brokers said I was still in. One said get in, one said get out. So this was what I'm gonna do. So we have about 15 pips. So at 15 pips right here, right, we're gonna shorten this stop loss up here. So if on the 1 hour time frame, look at the 1 hour time frame. All right. If the 1 hour time frame, this right here closes, if this candle closes, or any of this candle closes above this line, so 1, 3, 4, 2, 8, 6. I'm gonna give you guys an exit on this GU because I know these spreads are kind of crazy. Some of these brokers are high spreads, some don't. Because 3 candle rolls up, Mine says stay in. Some say get out. This is all the way you entered. So 1.34286. All right. If it closes, so put a horizontal line on your 1 hour time frame. If it closes above that, exit. Now it has to close. It has to close on it. The body got it. The body of the candle close on that. If it closes on that, exit. All right. If it doesn't and it wicks it, stay in the trade. Just like that. Stay right in that trade, just like that. All right. So let me go ahead and put that in there. 134,286. There we go. That's on GU. USD CAD, you got an hour and a half total, so you got a while on that. USD ZAR, you got a while on that thing. That thing's gonna be a minute. Other than that, I think you guys are good. Just hold that for a minute. I gave you guys the actual exit. We shortened our stop loss. We're gonna bring it in some right there. Actually, keep your stop loss where it's at, but keep that horizontal line on your chart. Because if it wicks this, if it pulls up and it does this, like it wicks like this, and it pulls back down, guess what? Wick lives don't matter. Stay in the trade. So when this pulls down, these EMAs are gonna start pulling down with it. So they'll start exponentially moving. So that'll give you a better risk reward as well. But right now you're good. So let that be. But don't go against this exit, guys. It's for a reason. I'm giving you guys this for a reason, so you don't get crushed in the market. So keep that right there. But yeah, good question, Evan. That's good questions. I get that a lot. Once you master the vector, it's all easy from there. Honestly, it's all easy. It is literally anytime somebody give you a markup, you can't even take the markup. You don't want to be mean to people, but you can't take it because you see the market a different way. That's why people say, hey, how do you back test? Like exactly how I showed you is how I back test. So it's kind of hard to say, oh, I back test this way if you don't understand the strategy that I'm teaching or that I'm trading. And say that with time frames, what time frame do you trade on? Every time frame, down to the 1 minute, down to the 1 second if I want to. You know, so it's all about fast, aggressive entries. But this is lovely. I like this trade. I like this a lot. I can see this going to risk free and you be chilling. Take them at USD CAD. This is going to drip because gold is dripping, so it's going to follow gold for a minute. But when gold come back up, you make sure you out of this thing because it's going to follow gold. It's going to follow gold. Gold dripping. That's okay though. We want gold to drip. Let it come through dripping. Yeah, this is good. So you guys should be good on this. Keep that there. USD CAD. Let's take a look at it real fast. UCAD. We got a nice 1 hour. Oh, look at that. We got a 1 hour MES too. Oh, y'all, we chilling. We got to at least New York session on this thing. Oh, we golden. All right, so guys, we got a super on the so it's a sauce right here. Got some super here. Wow, hour and a half, but the 1 hour just threw us morning, evening star, MES, another sauce candle. This formation here, MES, looking good. So we got 3 hours to be in this trade. It kept us in the trade. Although it's ranging, but that means nothing. It can range all at once. As long as keep us in the trade, we good. The 4 hour do anything yet? Nope, the 4 hour do nothing, so we good. So you have at least an hour and a half. Tops 3 hours to be in profit. So you can hold this thing to the New York session, honestly. Keep your stop loss there. So yeah, it's keeping you in the trade. That's a nice one. I like this. I like this, James. I like this trade right here, but I need this to break above. I need it to break above this 5 pips, and then I'll feel better. But GU looks good. USD ZAR. Let's check USD ZAR. My HFX section, guys, is gonna be the second week of January, so I'll let y'all know. I'm gonna send out to everybody. You wanna learn it? You learn it. It's up to you. It's open to the public though. How I trade off these EMAs. All right, we good on ZAR. We good on ZAR. Yeah, we good on ZAR. Let ZAR take off. Yeah, ZAR is good to go. Yeah, we're good on ZAR. Y'all got any questions? Anybody any questions? All right. Well, y'all know y'all got the rules to your trading. Don't let them go south. You know the deal. GU looks good. USD CAD looks good. USR looks good. If you in gold or waiting for gold, wait for it patiently. All right, wait for gold patiently. And I'm gonna head out to Florida. I'm gonna go chill in Florida for a little bit, for a couple of days, while the market's trash. I'm gonna go hang out in Florida and chill. But I'm gonna be trading with y'all tomorrow morning though. Last day trading. So we'll catch something. And then I might do analysis tonight. I don't know. Maybe not. We might just go into the market blind and then go for it. But those pendings, remember those pendings. If those pendings don't hit, if they don't hit tomorrow by 3 p.m., if you're not like in a trade with those pendings by like 3 p.m., they haven't activated, get out. Delete all those. Like your MT4 should be blank. Don't get into no trades, because if you do, the market gonna be closing from Friday, all day Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So you got almost 4 to 5 days of the market close. So if you stay in a trade, you have no clue where that trade is going, especially if you have no stop loss. I know everybody don't trade with stop losses. I get it. Even if I give one out, they still don't trade with it. It's all good. I mean, that's your personal preference. But if you open that trade up and that thing goes south, because the market still moves, even though the market's closed, it still moves. The price still moves. So if you see something crazy, it's gonna be your account gonna be crazy. You're gonna look crazy. So close everything. Make sure it's blank, and get ready for the new year and just have a better year. That's all. So whatever habits you had this year, get rid of them and learn your strategy. Actually learn a strategy this year and actually understand the market, see the market a different way. Practice your strategy for 6 months straight. Like practice. Like I didn't get this far by 6 weeks. You know what I'm saying? Like no, it was literally months to year to me understanding this matrix right here. This is my love right here. I love EMAs. You give me a naked chart, yeah, I can trade it, but you give me EMAs, I'm good. I know exactly where the market's going or where it's trying to go. So definitely. But yeah, I appreciate it, Ebony. I'm gonna have fun. I'm gonna definitely have some fun. I'm gonna chill. Definitely gonna chill. I'm gonna go to SeaWorld. I'm gonna go to SeaWorld, hang out with Free Willy, you know? With Free Willy. About to go to SeaWorld. But I'll see y'all. Y'all have fun. All right. We are good on GU, good on UZAR, and good on UCAD. Wait patiently on gold, guys. Do not click the button on gold unless you're already in it. You know, have a stop loss. If you trade gold, be in and out, because this thing about to do some daily. It's about to do some daily things before the new year happens. But this call will be recorded. It'll be on YouTube and it'll be on MTN webinars. All right. So definitely you can review it. You can see how I've been trading, and yeah, that's what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to be better than me. So have fun. Appreciate y'all. Stay blessed. Stay safe. And I will see y'all tomorrow.